Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use CapCut boat template on TikTok. Let's start. Open up the App Store. Here search CapCut. Click to open its app to update the app into the latest version. Open up TikTok app. Click on the search icon from the top right corner. Here search boat meme template. Click to view the video on the same template. Tap on CapCut Try this template. Then click to use template in CapCut. Now you can see the template is opened in CapCut. Click on Use Template, select a photo or video from the gallery. Give this video a huge like and subscribe to get more helpful videos like this. And explain me how we're solving new problems every day.